Hi, this is Josh.Heneveld, founder and principal broker of the Premium Northwest team at Keller Williams in Salem, Oregon. Thank you for watching my video blog. Today, we're going to do the start of a series around selling your home and making sure when you do list it, the property sells quickly and for top dollar. Today's topic is going to be on pricing and making sure your price is right when your home is listed. A question I often get asked by my clients and past clients is, if I make improvements or do renovations to my home, will I be able to get those renovation costs back out when I sell my home? And the answer is, it varies. And it's important to consult with your local real estate agent or perhaps a contractor to make sure you understand what renovations get you the most money and the biggest return. As a general rule of thumb, we find that kitchen renovations and bathroom renovations get you the best return. Specifically, I often will get asked, if I spend $5,000 on kitchen countertops or bathroom countertops, will I be able to sell my home for an additional $5,000, or maybe let's call it $7,000? And the answer is, it really varies. And you want to make sure that the improvements you're doing are the best improvements to get you the maximum dollar. And again, consulting with a local real estate professional is always a strong move. I often get asked the question by clients or future clients how we determine the list price for their home. They'll often go on Zillow and other online resources, find a price, or look at things that they think are like their home and want to come up with a list price themselves. The challenge we run into is we use several different methods to determine the list price on your home. And the first one is comparable sales. Comparable sales are sales that we want to find that are like your home in an area similar to your home and hopefully within a mile radius of your property, and that are similar year, make, and level of improvements. And we use those to determine what the sale price would be on your home based on the sales that sold recently. The second method we use to determine a list price on your home is the price per square foot, and sometimes a price per acre, depending if you have acreage. So, in short, we use both of those methods, and sometimes we have to blend those together and use components of each in order to determine the best list price. When you use a local real estate agent to help you determine the price on your property, it should sell quickly and for top dollar when you choose the right price. If you choose the wrong price, you'll often find yourself frustrated at your real estate agent and at yourself for not spending the proper amount of time and energy choosing the price. In conclusion, one of the services we offer here at Premium Northwest is an in-home consultation, and often the appropriate time to do that is about 12 months before you're actually ready to put your home on the market. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.